Ẹ káàárọ̀.
Ẹ ṣé. Ina kwana.
Ndewo. Daalụ.
Hi learners, welcome to a place where language comes alive and culture becomes an adventure. I am Ajagbe Elizabeth Omorisinola, your friendly Yoruba language tutor.
Kedu Kimere. That means how are you in Igbo? My name is Gloria Obara, and it's my pleasure to serve as your Igbo tutor here in ALSEP Academy.
Sunana Malam Silas. Zan koya muku harshen Hausawa. Meaning, my name is Tutor Silas, and I'll be teaching you Hausa language.
Whether you understand Yoruba a little or you are just getting started, this is your home.
All our parents and kids in diaspora looking to connect to their roots, their culture, ALSEP Language Academy is your go-to.
Together we'll learn to speak, read, tell stories, and discover the beauty of Yoruba language and culture in a fun and exciting way.
Whether you're a complete beginner or you're seeking to reconnect with your heritage, you'll be guided every step of the way.
You have met our tutors in the earlier section of this video. On behalf of the founder, I'm bidding you a welcome to this academy. I'm sure you are ready to learn different culture, different language as it applies to you. We look forward to seeing you in class.
Get ready to learn, laugh, and grow. Ẹ káàbọ̀. Let's start a journey together.